Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find the color code for an object on your Windows 10 desktop. This tutorial will apply for Windows 10, Windows 8, as well as Windows 7 devices, and it's a pretty straightforward tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first, you want to have whatever image that you want to determine the color code, so RGB or hex code. So it will actually be displayed as an RGB code, which you will have to convert to a hex code. There are many platforms that offer this online, so it should be a big deal if you need it as a different format. But anyway, you can just see it's on my desktop here. It's a JPEG file. So anything that can open up in Microsoft Paint is fine. So I just kind of preluded to what we're about to do. So open up Paint, and we're just going to go ahead and open that up. Going to open up the file into the Paint application. It's on my desktop right now, so let me just open that up. And let's say that we want to see the RGB code for any part of this image. Just select the little dropper icon, so color picker, pick a color from the picture and use it for drawing. Go ahead and just left click on that, and then just click inside whatever area you want to determine the color for. And now that you have selected or just left clicked on an area, now you can release pressure on your mouse pointer. And now you want to go to the edit colors option or edit colors button over here, and go ahead and just left click on that. And now you're going to see the RGB code for whatever selection that you chose earlier. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. You can see right here it's showing it on the color map where it would show up. So pretty cool. And you can also add it to custom colors as well, so if you want to use it at a future date, welcome to do that as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.